Need to get this fixed. The old blower. It's just not working. Much at work. I mean, if it does, great, but nah. Battery in it. That's just an adapter. So we go. That's a dual battery. To be fair, it's meant to be a hairdryer. So, and a hoover, and a blower. Let's whip it apart and see what's going on with this trigger. Because I think it's a trigger. Not many screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh. Then there's loads of screws on the back. I think we'll take those screws out because that seems to be the body for the old trigger there. Course, not the right size. Do you reckon? Do you reckon it's a GIS? Let's pull out a GIS. Yes, GIS. Who would have known? I think if I just cross those two, make a connection, we'll find out if it's the trigger or not. First of all, out, put the balloon battery on. Hopefully you can see what I see. See any sparks up in there? Nothing. Nothing. You know what that means then, don't you? The motor's gone. Yeah, voltage is going through. And you see, it's not like it's not getting power. It has to be the old motor. I'll put that back on. We'll take the motor side off and see what's going on there. We'll take this side off. Already screwed in the other side. You didn't want to see that. We'll speed this up, eh? Right, a moment of truth, eh? That spins around freely. I was hoping the twig would be stuck in there or something. Screw after bloody screw. Connections there are fine. Has to be the motor burnt out. You can see anything obvious. I don't know about you. I mean, it does look a tiny bit black in there, but I would say burnt out. I know what you can see there because of the lighting. I'll put some juice on it again. Hey! Well, would you look at that? Would you look at that? What was the crack there? Pretty. I've got power going through it. Getting the tingle there. Ugh. Must be grounded to something. I'll try that again. Right, why would that be? You tell me. Put it back in. It's not working again. Dodgy connection somewhere, isn't it? feel like it's something to do with these two screws. To be a dodgy connection. We'll see what volts is going through, if any. Well. Let's not do that. We know it's something to do with something, isn't it? I think it's something, a connection on the inside. That all looks good and well there. Nothing loose. I think it's the bushes. Shaped like an M, the bottom bush. And probably not working now, but before I had it pushed right on. Push that one right on. When it starts up, don't off give a bigger a spark. Can you see that? And I can't get into this casing. I might just get a little tiny file in there, file that bush down, lube it up a little, and it's probably going to conk out again after that, but hey ho, it was a 15 quid, lasted a year. It's in. There you are, folks. It's still sparking. It's most of it back together now. It's back together. Sounds more healthy. Much healthier. There you have it. Dirty bushes. Dirty bushes. So I think what happened was there was a copper bit inside, and I think the bushes are dirty and the contacts just pants. So there you go. If it's not working, take it apart, clean the bush, and hopefully it works. Right, I'm going in the shower and I'm going to dry myself off.